This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma prototypes interactive. We will dive into the core principles of bringing your designs to life, ensuring a realistic user experience. You will learn to connect different screens, define user journeys, and implement various interactive elements. By the end, you will be able to create engaging and functional prototypes that truly showcase your design vision. To begin, navigate to the Prototype tab in Figma. Here, you can select any element on your design and drag a connection arrow to another frame. This action establishes a basic link. Remember to set a starting frame for your flow, which is crucial for defining the initial view of your prototype. This process helps simulate a user's journey through your application or website. Once frames are linked, you can define specific interactions. Select a connection and choose a trigger, such as on click or while hovering. Then, pick an action like navigate to a new frame or open overlay for pop-ups. You can also fine-tune animation settings, selecting from options like Dissolve or Smart Animate to create smooth and engaging transitions between screens. For more advanced interactions, explore Smart Animate to create sophisticated transitions between similar objects. You can also build interactive components, allowing for reusable elements with built-in interactivity across your design. Finally, always test your prototype extensively in presentation view. This step is vital to ensure all interactions work as intended and provide a seamless user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.